How to pin Instagram posts. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Open Instagram and log in to your account. Once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Click on the post that you want to pin. Then click on the 3 vertical dots at the top right of post. From the pop-up menu list, click Pin to your profile. And that's it, the post now has been pinned. So that was it for this video. That's how to pin Instagram posts. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.